Olivia Foster-Grundy and I'm part of the documentary unit for BBC Studios based in Cardiff. My favourite thing about working in my department is the staff who I work with are so welcoming and knowledgeable and really great to learn from and are always keen to help out. One of the standout experiences for me so far has definitely been working on the live shows for Crime Watch, particularly assisting with the call handlers and seeing behind the scenes. The most valuable thing I've learned so far is definitely being able to communicate effectively between departments. Particularly in a production management role, it's important to bring all the different departments together so that we can get the shoot ready in time. I would say the role is definitely what I expected. I'm really happy in my choice to go forward in production management. I will say something that surprised me is how small the actual teams are behind the scenes. My advice for those considering applying to the apprenticeships with the BBC is just apply. There were so many times that I was like, oh, I'm not sure whether I'm right for it, I'm not sure whether I'd get through, but I just did it anyway, and so far I'm just doing it and seeing how far I can get.